It was a really great experience which helped me to prepare a real job interviews. Hello, I'm Nupoor and I recently completed my software testing training at STAD Solution. It was really great experience. The course covered everything from manual testing, basic to an introduction of automation tools like Selenium. The trainer explained all the topics in the very simple and clear way, which made it easy to understand. One thing I really like was the doubt session was a really great thing with all practicals, and anytime the trainer always made sure our concept very clear. They were very supportive throughout the course. The practical assignments and real-time example made the learning more effective. I now feel confident about myself starting career as in software testing, and it was a really great experience which helped me to prepare a real job interviews. It boosted my confidence and gave me good ideas what to expect the industry. Thank you everyone.